Let's quickly talk about how to with Florida avocado. So what I like to do, lay it flat on my board, take my knife and go all the way down the center and then just kind of roll my avocado around until my knife is completely through and then it falls open. Look at that, how beautiful. So we're gonna take out our seed or our pit out of the middle, and then sometimes there's just this little bit of lining that'll come right off, and this is a perfect Florida avocado. Incredible. I like to go ahead and try to take the peel and just peel it naturally, and it'll come off in chunks. Look at that, coming right off. You want to look for any dark spots and get them out with a spoon if you see any. And the knife works right through this Florida avocado just like butter. And these will produce these beautiful little slices. A couple great ways to cut your avocado, sliced or diced. Can't go wrong with a wonderful Florida avocado.